Yeah, thank you, Sachin, and I mean, thank you for all the speakers, the previous speakers. I mean, who's really set a very good a ground, a field, and understanding of suicide. And I think I have a very difficult task at hand. So I just would like to tell you that my net connection is unstable over here. I had to get out of. I mean, I got out of the meeting a few times. So in case I get out, just I'll get back in, right? Yeah. So, as Sachin introduced me, I am a psychiatrist. And I mean, I assume that as a psychiatrist, I do a lot of good work, hopefully. But I feel very, very helpless also. There is this strong sense of helplessness that comes in when there are so many people that we meet on a daily basis where we are not able to help them to the extent we would like to. In a very clinical setting, there is very limited scope of help. And therefore, many years back, almost 22 years back, I set up this foundation to broaden the scope of work that we can do for every person that comes in. Because psychiatry, for a long time, and even till today, is seen in a very medical perspective, very biological. But we know that human behavior is not only biological. There's so many other elements to it. There's a social element, there's a cultural element, there is the families, there is the very essence of who that person is, his own tastes, his own desires, what he wants as an individual. And and when we begin to see mental health in that broad perspective, the work that we do as clinicians sometimes becomes very narrow, and and I've experienced that over a period of time, and therefore it was so important that we built networks with people, with like-minded people that can support people going through stress.